Hello, amazing learners! Welcome back to the best place to improve your English. This is Listen and Learn. I'm your friend, Jamie, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you are someone who wants to speak English confidently, if you dream of talking to anyone, anywhere, without fear, if you are tired of feeling stuck at the same level, then congratulations, you are exactly where you need to be. Every single day on this channel, we make English simple, fun, and super practical. No boring grammar rules, no complicated books. Just real English that native speakers actually use, from morning greetings to job interviews, from ordering coffee to making lifelong friends. So grab your headphones, find a comfortable spot, and get ready, because in the next 30, 40, 50 minutes, your ears are going to fall in love with English. We'll repeat everything slowly and clearly. We'll practice together. We'll laugh together. And by the end of this video, you will feel proud of how much you understood. New here? Hit that red subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification, because every day we drop fresh listening lessons that will change your English life. Old friend, drop a quick "I'm here" in the comments so I can say hello to you personally. Are you ready to level up today? Say it with me. Yes, I am ready. Perfect. Let's jump right in. This is Listen and Learn, where English becomes easy, one listen at a time. Let's go. Many learners feel stuck at the same level for years. Maybe you are one of them. You study grammar, you memorize vocabulary, you watch videos, you listen to lessons. But when you try to speak, your mind goes blank. Why? Because English is not a subject. It's not math. It's not history. English is a skill. And skills grow through practice, repetition, and daily use, not memorization. If you want to swim, you must enter the water. If you want to cycle, you must sit on the bicycle. If you want to speak English, you must open your mouth. People stay stuck because they only learned English in their head. They think in Bangla, Hindi, Arabic, Spanish, or their native language. Then they try to translate into English. This translation creates slow, broken English. To speak fluently, you must stop translating. You must train your mouth to move automatically, like your native language. This requires daily speaking, even if you speak alone. Even if you talk to the mirror, even if you talk to yourself. Remember this truth. You don't learn to speak English by thinking. You learn to speak English by speaking. Many people want results without effort. They want fluency without practice. They want confidence without mistakes. But that is not how transformation works. Your brain needs repetition. Your mouth needs training. Your ears need exposure, just like the gym. If you go once a month, nothing changes. If you go every day, even for 10 minutes, everything changes. English works the same way. 10 minutes a day is more powerful than 2 hours once a week. Small daily steps create massive long-term results. One new word today, one new sentence today, one short practice today. These small actions may look invisible, but over time, they build unstoppable confidence. Never underestimate the power of consistency. Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats intelligence. Consistency beats fear. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up every day. Fear is your biggest enemy. Not grammar, not vocabulary, not pronunciation. Fear. Fear of judgment, fear of mistakes, fear of sounding wrong, fear of being laughed at. But let me tell you something life-changing. People who laugh at your English can never reach your level of courage. It takes courage to speak a second language. It takes courage to learn. It takes courage to try. Never be ashamed of your English. Be proud that you are improving yourself. The world respects effort. The world admires growth. The world values people who try. You are not weak for making mistakes. You are brave for moving forward. Remember this quote: a person who speaks broken English is smarter than a person who only knows one language. Your mistakes are not failures. Your mistakes are footprints of progress. Many learners whisper these dangerous sentences to themselves. I can't do it. My English is bad. I will never be fluent. I am too slow. I am too old. I am not smart enough. These sentences are poison. They kill your confidence. They destroy your motivation. They limit your growth. The truth is, your only real limitations are inside your mind. Your brain believes what you tell it. If you say I can't, your brain shuts down. If you say I will, your brain opens new doors. Replace negative sentences with powerful ones. I am learning. I am improving. I am getting better. I am stronger than my excuses. I will master English. I will speak confidently. Talk to yourself like a winner, because you are one. English is more than a language. It is a bridge, a key, a passport. With English, you can connect with millions of people. You can access the best education. You can get better jobs. You can travel confidently. You can earn more. You can express yourself to the world. English gives you freedom. Freedom to dream bigger. Freedom to choose your opportunities. Freedom to live a better life. This is why English learners never quit, because they know what is waiting on the other side: a better future. Every learner reaches a point where they want to quit, where everything feels slow, where progress feels invisible, where mistakes feel too heavy. If you are in that phase, listen carefully. Do not quit. Do not stop. Do not lose hope. Progress is happening even if you don't see it. Your brain is learning silently. Your memory is expanding quietly. Your pronunciation is improving slowly. Your confidence is growing secretly. Just because progress is not visible does not mean progress is not happening. Your future self is watching you. Your future self is cheering for you. Your future self is waiting for you. Don't give up on them. Fluent speakers all share the same mindset. They are not afraid of mistakes. They practice a little every day. They speak even when they feel nervous. They stay patient. They think long-term, not short-term. They celebrate small wins. They believe in themselves. Fluency is not strength. Fluency is patience, not speed. Consistency, not perfection. Progress. Adopt this mindset and you will transform faster than you imagine. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the future version of you. A version who speaks English clearly. A version who answers confidently. a version who communicates without fear, a version who travels without hesitation, a version who gets better opportunities, a version who succeeds because they never gave up. That future self is real. That future self is possible. That future self is waiting for you. And every practice, every mistake, every sentence takes you one step closer. When you learn English, you're not just learning a language, you're transforming your identity. You're upgrading your mind. You're changing your destiny. My friend, you are capable of more than you think. You are stronger than you believe. You are smarter than others realize. And your English journey is just beginning. From today, no fear, no excuses, no negative thoughts, only action, only practice, only growth. You were not born fluent, but you were born to learn. You were born to rise. You were born to shine. So stand tall, speak loud, believe in yourself. Because your future English, your future success, your future life is calling your name. And this moment is the moment you decide to answer. Let's begin your new journey. Let's build your fluency. Let's create your future. Your breakthrough starts now. Your transformation starts today. Your success starts with you.